What are the manifestations of the Android touchscreen not working can't unlock? What can we do to get rid of this dilemma? Well, just watch on for the complete answers to these questions. Part 1. Fix Android touchscreen not responding due to hardware issues in 5 ways. Way 1. Remove your screen protector and check it. Way 2. Test the touchscreen on the phone. Way 3. Test the affected part of the screen. Way 4. Give the touchscreen a few knocks. Way 5. Replace the broken touchscreen. Part 2. Fix Android touchscreen not working due to software issues in 7 ways. Way 1. Reboot your Android phone. Way 2. Remove memory card and SIM card. Way 3. Inspect whether an app is a culprit. Way 4. Factory reset Android phone. Way 5. Use on-the-go adapter and mouse to control your phone screen. Way 6. Use ADB command to unlock your Android phone. Way 7. Ultimate way to fix touchscreen not working on Android. Well, do you want to fix the issue with the professional tool if it is still unresolved? Android Repair is powerful enough to help you out. The best part of this program is that it can fix a wide range of Android system issues in seconds.